You are living and working in two time zones. The time difference between the two places are 5 hours. So when you finish your work and go to sleep, that is 2 a.m. Obviously you can't get up early in the morning, but some might call you a lazy pig because you don't get up early. Why they call it? Because they have the mindset the perfect timing to get up early is 6 o'clock, or for some it is 7 o'clock, for some it is 3 o'clock, whatever it is, right? But at the same time, some also make it a bad habit to get up late. So this is the difference between contextual intelligence. Those don't see the context, who is doing what, they don't distinguish between the two, right? Likewise, most of the time people scroll the mobile phone always, but some who are into digital marketing, they also scroll always. But the difference between them is one is just wasting time and another is using the time for his or her profession, right? So I am Nandini Das, academician, author. By this time you must have known that today's topic is contextual intelligence, 3 norms to practice contextual intelligence, right? Or to master your contextual intelligence. So you might have a question in your mind that why it is so important today that we should know or learn contextual intelligence. Because the age we are living in is piles of data, both online and offline. So when something happens online, that has impact in your offline life. When something happens offline, that has also effect on your online life. So it makes complicated. Why complicated? Because people are not aware enough to use their contextual intelligence and according to that behave or react. Therefore, it is immensely important. So contextual intelligence is to master your mind and communicate wisely. That is maybe oral, written or symbolic, whatever it is. You should see the circumstances, the surrounding, the situation, everything. Then you can decide to which should fit, or you use your skill, so which thing should fit to which place, right? So now we'll discuss the 3 norms of contextual intelligence. Number one is know your behavior, right? Watch your behavior and correct yourself. How do you react to certain situation or information you are getting? First of all, you should know that how much it is related to your personal life, right? Then you should know that whether the thing is going on for which you are reacting, whether it is ethically or legally right or wrong, and so also your behavior, whether it is morally and legally right or wrong, or it is your behavior is sheer groundless emotional behavior. So that's not, if it is sheer groundless emotion, that means it is not contextual intelligence. So you have to think over it. And number two is the source. We are all made of the source. First, what you get, the environment where we are born, brought up, or we are living in. Then the tradition, culture. All we from the beginning we know that what is this. Maybe something like one thing is right for one culture, but not right for another culture. For example, a wink. Wink is very common in certain cultures, in Western cultures, but that is the big no-no in some other cultures, right? Then number 3 norm is the context. What is the context? How we are now going to apply the skill and the knowledge, the information into our behavior, reaction or outcome. Let me give you one example. See, here it is written honesty and it is also hurricane. Honesty, hurricane. The first letter of both words is H, yet the meaning is totally different. Honesty means worthy characteristic, while a hurricane is a destructive occurrence. It destructs everything, right? So how can we compare both of them, or we consider both of them similar seeing only the first letter each H? If you do that, then that is stupidity, right? Even sometimes honesty can be used for a criminal. In which context who is using it is the lie or it is the truth. We have to, if you have contextual intelligence, then you can know that, you can differentiate the truth or the false, right? So this contextual intelligence is not only for making some business related decisions or political decisions. It is also important in his personal and professional life every day, right? Every day, every moment it is necessary. So write in the comment box what's your thoughts about the contextual intelligence. If you write something in one word, one sentence, then that will remind you to practice the norms and your contextual intelligence. So please do that. Then give a thumbs up to my video, share it with your friends and relatives, and don't forget to practice your contextual intelligence and be a worthy person and be a good person, enhance your personality and be a charming person and be a just person. Whatever it is, you can improve your personality by practicing this contextual intelligence. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.